Vodafone Idea has recently launched a facility called Weekend Data Rollover Facility for its prepaid customer. The Weekend Data Rollover services allow users to use the remaining data on the weekends. The main idea behind launching this new services is to allow users to watch quality content on weekends. Notably, the service have been appreciated by all users, and that's why Vi is now extending the validity of the Weekend Data Rollover services. Right now, I'll tell you some details about Weekend Data Rollover services. The Weekend Data Rollover services is now available until April 17, 2021. Earlier, it was available until January 17, 2021. But now, the services has been extended for 90 days, and under this offer, user will get all unused data from Monday to Friday on Saturday and Sundays. The users are allowed to utilize all remaining data on these 2 days. Additionally, users are allowed to download all content along with games and HD videos on these 2 days. Notably, the unused data will be automatically transferred on Saturdays and Sundays. The offer launched in October and it is available on limited plans. Those plans are priced at Rs 249, Rs 297, Rs 299, Rs 398, 399, 449, 497, 499, Rs 555, Rs 558, Rs 595, Rs 599 plan, Rs 647 plan, 699, 795, 819, Rs 1197 plan, Rs 2399 and Rs 2595 plan. Vodafone Idea also said that for utilizing the benefit of rollover data scheme for unlimited packs near expiry, customer need to recharge within the pack validity. Customer recharging within the pack validity will be able to accumulate and carry forward the daily data limit of unlimited packs which are expiring or expired. In case customer doesn't recharge within the pack validity, they will lose the accumulated data. Additionally, the company allows you to check the accumulated data. For that, user need to check the active packs and services section on the application. Besides, the company allows you to check the balance by dialing *199#. Furthermore, the company announced that if your pack is about to expire and you have to use the data on weekends, then you have to do recharging without any delay. Now I'm telling you another benefit that has been launched by Vodafone Idea. Meanwhile, the telecom operator has launched a new offer with Rs 405 plan, where it is providing ZEE5 access for 1 year. It ships unlimited calling and 90 GB of data for 28 days. The plan also offers Vi Movies TV worth Rs 1000 and 100 message for the same duration. Additionally, Vi has launched a Republic Day offer with its postpaid plan of Rs 399, 499 and 699 and Rs 1099 rupees. The prepaid plan also include Rs 297 and 399. Guys, that's all from us for today. Keep watching Gizbot for all tech and telecom related news and updates. Thank you so much.